Here's what we know about body language. Not only does it affect how people perceive you, but it also affects the way that you think, the way you feel and act.
Steve Ballmer!
Don't do that. As speakers, a big part of our body language is movement. My name's Robert Graham. I'm the founder of GrahamComm, and we've been helping people become outrageously good speakers for over 20 years. Today, we're talking about movement, specifically why, how, and when you should use it in a presentation. Let's start with why. First, it helps you connect with different parts of your audience. It's also a pattern interrupt. It also helps you project confidence, it helps you transition, and finally, it helps you channel some of that nervous energy. Here then is how you use movement effectively. First, you find your anchor spot. Now this is home base, and you're gonna come back here throughout your talk. Next, you move with purpose. We're not just talking about movement for the sake of moving. Think walk, plant, not that kind of plant. Talk. Walk, plant, talk. You move to a spot, you plant your feet, and then you have a few conversations with a few people in that part of the room. At a natural transition in your content, you walk to another spot and repeat. Let's talk about lecterns for a moment. They can come in handy, as we see here with our good friend Steve Ballmer. But aside from shielding you from eggs and rotten tomatoes, lecterns are a trap. So get your butt out there in front of the audience, stop pacing, and use some purposeful movement. And you'll find that everyone, yourself included, is paying a lot more attention. We'd love to read your own best practices and thoughts on body language in the comments section below. Please share this video with anyone you know at all in the world. And if you like this, subscribe and we'll include you in the next one. Ready, listo. Blue shirt, year 3. Steve Ballmer. Outrageously good speakers for over 20 years. That doesn't look like 20 years. That doesn't look like 20. 20 years. All right. Walk, plant.